Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. The topic for today's discussion is First in India in 2021. So in this session, we see the things which took place for the first time in India, and these are useful for exam. These are selective. Before that, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. And now let's start our discussion with the first question. India's first museum dedicated to alcohol has opened in which place? Right answer is Goa, and this museum has set up by local businessman Nandan Kurchadkar. Kurchadkar, and the capital city of Goa is Panaji, and Goa is the smallest state of India in terms of area. Move to next question. India's first moss garden has been developed in which state? Right answer is Uttarakhand. So what is moss garden? Means garden has mosses instead of grass, and Uttarakhand is formerly known as Uttaranchal, and it is often referred as a Devbhumi, land of gods. Move to next question. Which city has become the India's first water plus city? Correct answer is Indore. Indore has become the India's first water plus city, and it is also referred as a cleanest city of India, and Indore declared as a water plus city under Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, and Indore, it is located in Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Move to next question. India's first dolphin research center to start in which place? Correct answer is Patna. India's first dolphin research center come up in Patna, and Patna is located in Bihar, and it is the capital city of Bihar as well as, and the Gangetic River dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. Move to next question. India's first tire park to be come up at which place? Correct answer is Kolkata. So tire park where artworks made from scrap and defective parts will be on display, and it is the initiative of West Bengal Transport Corporation. Kolkata, it is the capital city of West Bengal. And move to next question. Which city to become the first Indian city to use ropeway services for public transportation? Correct answer is Varanasi, and overall Varanasi will be the third city in the world after Bolivia and Mexico City to use ropeway services for public transportation, and Varanasi is located in Uttar Pradesh. Move to next question. India's first snow leopard conservation center to be set up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Uttarakhand. And in Uttarakhand, snow leopards are mainly found in Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, Gangotri National Park, and Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary. Move to next question. Which state became the first state in India to table paperless budget? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh, and the capital city of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, and the present chief minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and Uttar Pradesh is most populated state. Most populated state in India. Move to next question. India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve to be in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. The dugong, also called as a sea cow, and it is a herbivorous animal, and the capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and it is located in southern India. And Tamil Nadu is famous for its temple festivals and celebration of arts. Move to next question. India's first Lychee park come up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Uttarakhand, and the Lychee park, and it is the issue of Uttarakhand Forest Department. Move to next question. India's first cryptogamic gardens opens in which state or union territory? And correct answer is Uttarakhand. And Uttarakhand has two capitals. One is Dehradun, and it is the winter capital of Uttarakhand, and Gairsen, it is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Move to next question. Which city becomes the India's first city to achieve 100% COVID vaccination? Correct answer is Bhubaneswar, and Bhubaneswar becomes the India's first city to achieve 100% COVID vaccination, and Bhubaneswar city fondly called as the city of temples, and Bhubaneswar, it is located in Odisha, and as well it is the capital city of Odisha. Move to next question. Which state has become the first state to implement national education policy? Correct answer is Karnataka. So, and as per new school education system of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 is the outline of NEP 2020, means new national education policy system, and it is the outline 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Move to next question. India's first digital university comes up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Kerala, and Kerala, the capital city is Tirunanthapuram, and Kerala is also referred as God's own country. Move to next question. India's first cashless bazaar has come up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Chhattisgarh, and India's first cashless bazaar has come up in Raipur, and it is the capital city of Chhattisgarh. Move to next question. India's first automatic coastal warning for disaster will come up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Odisha, and the capital city of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Move to next question. India's first Sandalwood Museum inaugurated in which city? Correct answer is Mysuru. So Mysuru, it is located in Karnataka, and Mysuru is the cultural city of Karnataka, and the aim of this museum is to educate farmers about the significance of cultivation of sandalwood, and the capital city of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Move to next question. India's first sugar museum to come up in which city? Correct answer is Pune. Pune, it is located in Maharashtra, and the capital city of Maharashtra is Mumbai. And Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugar. UP. Move to next question. India's first igloo cave comes up in which state? Comes up in which state? Correct answer is Gulmarg. Gulmarg, it is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is Union Territory since 31st October 2019, and it has two capitals. One is Srinagar, it is the summer capital, and another one is Jammu, it is the winter capital of Jammu Kashmir. Move to next question. India's first labor movement museum to come up in which state? Correct answer is Kerala. So India's first labor museum has been launched in Alapaju in Kerala, and the museum will showcase the history of the world labor movement. Move to next question. Which state to open India's first gender park? Correct answer is Kerala. So it will be in Kozhikode of Kerala. Kozhikode of Kerala. And to work towards the promoting of gender equality in the state. Move to next question. India's first emergency landing facility on national highway inaugurated in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Rajasthan, and the capital city of Rajasthan is Jaipur. It is also known as Pink City, and Rajasthan is the largest state in India in terms of area, and Rajasthan is the house of the largest desert of India, Thar Desert. Move to next question. India's first drone forensic lab and research center has come up in which state or union territory? Right answer is Kerala, and it is the initiative of Kerala Police. And capital city of Kerala is Tirunanthapuram. Move to next question. Which state has decided to set up India's first government-run ambulance network for animals? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh, and the capital city of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And AP is one of the leading rice producing states in India and the major producer of India's tobacco. Move to next question. India's first grain ATM has set up in which state? Which city? Correct answer is Gurugram. So the purpose of this unique ATM is to make distribution of grain to government-run ration shop easy and hassle-free. And Gurugram, it is located in Haryana, and the International Solar Alliance headquarters is located in Gurugram only. And move to next question. Which state became the India's first state to provide reservation for transgender community in all government services? Correct answer is Karnataka, and the capital city of Karnataka is Bangalore, and Bangalore is also known as Electronic City of India and as well as Silicon Valley of India. Move to next question. Which state or union territory to get India's first geothermal power project? Correct answer is Ladakh. And this India's first geothermal project will be developed by ONGC, means Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, and Ladakh, it is the Union Territory of India. Move to next question. India's first smoke tower comes up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Delhi, and the structure will suck polluted air from above and the release clean air from below. Move to next question. India's first maritime heritage complex will be come up in which city? Correct answer is Luthal, and the India's first maritime complex will be set up by Culture Ministry of India in collaboration with Shipping and Port Ministry, and Lothal, it is located in Gujarat, and the capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Move to next question. India's first toy cluster to be come up in which place? Correct answer is Koppala. So India's first toy cluster will come up in Koppala district of Karnataka, and the main aim is to boost indigenous toy production. Move to next question. Which state will create the first cyber tehsil of India? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh, and the capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, and Madhya Pradesh, it is known as the heart of India. Move to next question. India's first lithium refinery to come up in which state? Correct answer is Gujarat, and Gujarat has the longest coastline in India. Move to next question. India's first food museum launched in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So India's first museum launched in Tanjavur, and it was established by Food Corporation of India. Move to next question. India's first fire park comes up in which state? Correct answer is Odisha, and the aim is to educate and raise awareness about the basic fire safety practices among the general public, especially students. Move to next question. India's first empty clinic launched in which state? Correct answer is Chandigarh, and Chandigarh, it is the Union Territory of India, and it was designed by architect Lee Corbusier. Move to next question. India's first air taxi services were inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is Haryana, and the capital city of Haryana is Chandigarh. Move to next question. India's first e-fish market app Fishwale launched in which state? Right answer is Assam, and this Fishwale app developed by Aqua Blue Global Aquatic Culture Solutions Private Limited in collaboration with Fisheries Department. And the capital city of Assam is Dispur, and Assam is known for Assam tea and Assam silk. Move to next question. India's first indoor sky park to come up at which place? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. And the aim is to boost tourism in the state. And Himachal Pradesh have two capital cities. One is Shimla, another one is Dharamshala. And Shimla, it is the summer capital of Himachal Pradesh, and Dharamshala is the winter capital of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is known for its GI certified Kangra tea. Move to next question. India's first ever lithium resource fund in which state or union territory? Right answer is Karnataka. And the first ever lithium resource fund in Mandya district of Karnataka, and lithium has become the new white coal as the demand for high performing rechargeable batteries in rising. That's it for today. PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.